get you some mid caps and small caps which have been buzzing around in trade, and try and get from the management what exactly is happening in the company. Stable companies, of course, which have had, well, a good run up, or the good run as far as the volumes, as far as the sales and profit numbers go. La Opala figures right out there. A market cap of close to 195 odd crores, so not very big per se. The stock trading very close to its 52-week high as well. In fact, has hit the 52-week high in today's session as well. Has run up close to 14% in the last 5 days. Has run up close to 28% in the last 1 month. So it's been doing very well, must say. And talk about what's happening within the company. Ajit Junjunwala, Deputy Managing Director of La Opala RG, joins us on the phone line from Kolkata. Good having you, Ajit. Thanks so much for joining in. There's a lot of interest that we're picking up for your stock, and you would have seen as well. It's gained quite a bit over the last 1 month. What's really happening? We hear that you've completed some expansion plans, and a large portion of the benefits of the expansion would kick in the current quarter. Is that a fair estimate?
Yeah, you're right. We just completed expansion in our Sitarganj plant in the month of July, and the plant is running in full capacity now. So you rightly said the main benefit is going to come now for the expansion.
Ajit, how is then the consumer side panning out? How is the demand scenario, especially since we have just about wrapped up the festive season? So in this quarter, what sort of demand did you see, and the pricing trends as well that you're spotting?
Yeah, you see, the demand has been very, very encouraging. In fact, this was one of our best Diwali we had. And demand is very good. Even now, our order books are very strong, and we see a great year ahead.
So what is the order book at present then?
Sorry?
What is the order book that you're working with right now?
I didn't get you, ma'am.
You said the demand has been very good. If you could give us some numbers about it as well then.
Yeah, we are looking at around the 25% growth this year.
What's the current order book like, Ajit?
Current order book, we are having around 2 months orders in hand right now.
Okay, I was just looking at your numbers as well. You mentioned about this being the best Diwali. So I was just looking at your September quarter numbers, and you've done, if I'm not wrong, revenues of close to 36 crores, which was maybe a 20% uptick over the same quarter last year. If indeed this has been the best Diwali, what kind of uptick on a quarter-on-quarter basis do you envisage?
You see, the Diwali benefit, the full Diwali didn't get into the second quarter because Diwali was a month late this year compared to the last year.
Sure.
So the third quarter results would definitely be better.
Yeah, which is what I'm asking essentially. So October to December, what are the kind of numbers that you're working with?
I think so we're looking at 25-27% higher than last year.
Higher than last year. Okay, and is that the kind of run rate that you would end the year with as well?
Yes, I think so.
Okay,
we should maintain that.
Which I'm just trying to extrapolate what you've done. For the quarter, if I'm not wrong, on the diluted equity, you've done close to 4 rupees. Is it safe to assume that for the year you could do around 15 or 16 rupees as earnings per share?
Yeah, I think so we should be able to do that.
And last but not the least, Ajit, any expansion plans for which you may need to raise funds?
No, we have no funds raising plan at present because in fact we just completed the expansion. So for the next few months there's no expansion in plan, but we are planning for a modernization at our Madhupur plant, which is going to happen in the next financial year.
Okay, so which means there is no fundraising, no kind of tie-up that you're looking to do with anybody over the next...
No fundraising at all because we are a cash-rich company, our debts are not very high.
Right.
So we don't have any plans to raise funds right now.
Great. Leave it at that, Ajit.
Even the modernization, what we are planning at our Madhupur plant, that we are planning to do with the internal accrual only.